Hello, this is Kelly from Rupert Sue Junk Journals, and from this angle, it doesn't look like I've made much progress, but I'm going to take you on a little tour and you can see what I have accomplished so far. We've got this, like I said, this is going to be my shipping station, so I've got some actual things set up over there and things kind of moved in the general direction. As we go this way, I've got this kind of shelf situation going on. So it's two shelves back to back that are the same. This shelf here, and then that one, a little fabric thing on top. So that I got going on. My little door, I've got my piece of collage art. You want to look at that, that's kind of interesting. And then some aprons on there, and I'm just gonna do a little twist around. So then I'm kind of trying to come up with a little sitting area here. We're gonna definitely need a little anchor rug. I got my Tarkay up there. The cot, although there's this configuration's not gonna quite work. Yes, I have a little desk for Amy, and isn't it cute? It's really cute. And then I have a little cart for her over there, so we'll see how she likes that. She did say she needs a comfier chair. That chair is a little uncomfortable, she said, so we'll have to figure that out. This along this wall, I think I got a couple more things on those shelves along that wall. I don't know how much that stuff is gonna stay there, but for now, that's what we have. Now, this right here is going to be my retreat stuff. So far I've got most of it accumulated in there. Whatever I take, it has to be like one carload, you know what I mean? So this can't be too giant. So this shelf, which I think is kind of going to be fun because it's a two-sided shelf. That brings me over to my desk. Look how far I've come with this. Isn't that nice? Yeah, so we'll see. But anyway, this shelf right here, I can have it two ways. So I always bring my journals along to the retreat, but then I like them along the shelf along my desk. So I just love that concept that it's like two-sided. Anyway, I'm getting my desk things over here. My recording arm is in the RV, so I thought I came up with this little modification to record, and I'll just put my phone up in here and we'll see how that goes. But so technically I can record. But let's go back here. So you might notice some familiarity of things. This works really well for me. And then all these little jewelry boxes with fun, my butterfly ephemera, my mushroom ephemera, my flower ephemera, my stamps, my little text letters, and my mini stapler. And then my ephemera down there, which I showed you yesterday, which is kind of hard to see. But now, if I do keep this, I've got these two shelves right here that maybe I can put stuff in. I was just going to stack books, but that's a lot handier to have little shelves that come out. The desk so far, let's just see here. Pull this open. It's one of those locking desks. I've got my glues and my tape and my baby wipes all in that drawer. Amy did that for me. Yeah, I was like, hey, you could put the glues in. She's like, okay. And she did it, and it was great. Yeah. And look at this little unicorn picture. Is that ever cute? Going for a little zoom. Yep, there we go. I have a little fridge in here. I don't think that fridge is gonna stay there. I'm hoping there's another outlet for that because it's a 3-prong, I believe. Yes, it is a 3-prong. I don't really want my fridge there, but I am excited to have a little drink fridge in here, so that's pretty cool. Going along here, this is that sewing center, and then I put some little decorative things on there, so we'll see we'll see how that goes. I think I'm gonna bring that picture up a little higher, but that's one of my little collage art things I did. And then I'll just kind of back up a little bit. And I got some paintings that I did up on the walls back there too. So, and this one is higher than that one. Yeah, I tried. That's really high in the air. I had to get a chair. It was crazy. No, that's not that crazy. But I feel like I have accomplished things. Things have been accomplished. And my retreat stuff did end up being a little bit scattered all over the place. So still gathering it together. My retreat for my Fond du Lac, Wisconsin retreat is in, it's on Thursday. Today is Monday. So not too far away. I got to get cracking. I am excited about putting, you know, I talked excessively about putting rugs in here, but this is a big old pile. Yes, it is. But you know, a lot of the shelves and like these drawers over here are empty. My scrapbooking paper hasn't been put in there. So, you know, these shelves are both empty. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm excited, moving right along. So I hope you continue to come along with me on this little journey. I just, you know, a couple of updates here and there. And I do have my Pennsylvania retreat coming up. So if you live in that area and you're interested in attending the Pennsylvania retreat, it's in Middletown, Pennsylvania. Isn't that tricky? And yeah, so that would be super cool. That's June 6th through the 9th. So like I said, it's coming up pretty fast. I do have day only tickets, and then I have shared room tickets. So you get all the crafty business plus you know, your crafting table, obviously. And all the meals are included, and coffee, tea, and a bottle of water for your drinking pleasure. And yeah, so I know this is crazy. It's a big mess. It's a giant mess. But I'm gonna get it sorted, and I might have to get rid of stuff. I'm hoping to get rid of a lot of boxes. That will help. Just take everything out of the boxes and stack it. I got my vacuum here, and this actually back here, which I didn't share, that door is a closet. There's a closet in there. Yeah. It's not super convenient because it's the electric, what do you call that? Electrical panel access. So the electrical panel is right there in front of the door, and then you can go to the right and put some things and go to the left. But I have my vacuum cleaner in there because I was able to bring that over today, which is very necessary. Yes, for this floor. So, trying to figure out, also, I have a lot of paintings. Oh, I can flip around a little bit here. I have a lot of paintings, and I'm hoping, like this whole entire box, I'm hoping to get them hung on the wall, because I don't think I'm going to be able to stack shelves as high as these ceilings are. So that'll be a first. Because usually I have everything stacked so high. I know I'm going to need more shelves, because I really don't have any big shelves. Like these shelves right here are the biggest shelves that I have. And I just need some bookshelves. So we'll see how that goes. But I'll be looking around for free and curb alerts and nonsense like that. Hopefully get some good deals and paint them and make them look new. Put some old books on them. It'll be great. It'll be fantastic. All right. Well, that is about it. I have to get a curtain on there too. I'm going to put a curtain. That door is a little bit see-through. All right. Well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.